Yes, people. Right now we're making some flour.
Yes.
Another whole container if you throw.
Oh, this some right?
Yeah, we make about 11, 12 or 13 dumpling.
Alright, this.
So yes, we're making flour
So
right there. Good morning.
What is that?
Hold on, the stove I turn over.
Where's that?
It is here. Salt is here.
That's enough flour?
But we don't really put salt in that flour when we make it like that.
That's enough flour? I have more flour.
Just make flour. Alright, so we're making breakfast flour. Alright, right here we have some of the things that we're going to use. White yam.
Hey.
What is again? Sweet potato. And banana. The banana for candy.
More flour? That's it.
That could have taken a little bit more flour. Yeah. Just make sure say enough dumpling in there for me. So breakfast will I make, guys. So let me show you where I'm vlogging. I am vlogging.
Sorry.
Yes. Let me show you where we are going with over here. So in this pot now we have some saltfish, and we have make sure so we take out the salt out of the saltfish. So you boil it first. Yeah. Alright, so we have some saltfish right there, so. And then we have some red herring right here, so I soak. Yes. So it's saltfish and red herring. And the pot over here, so I'll put the food in it. And just turn on. Oh, I have on the pot from the stove and I turn on. Yeah, I turn on that. And Keno over there, so is making the dumpling. So now cut up them ground porridge in here. And then we'll get the thing going. You see? Aha. So right here, so now we have the ground porridge on, yeah. We have some sweet potato and some banana. If you notice, I cook the banana in the skin. That way that the pot not get stain up. Yeah. And we have some dumpling. You can believe say the one Keno come here can make. How much dumpling you make? 6.
8.
8 you make?
It's 8.
You stretch it.
It's 8.
So how much dumpling you gonna get? Cause 4 out of mine, you know.
I'm getting 5.
What?
What I mean make them?
Leave now. I'll have some white yam in it and thing. So the ground provision I deal it. Alright, me take off the saltfish. See saltfish there. I'm gonna sort it out now. You know, wash off this and yeah, clean it up and thing and then yeah, the next step is to start fry it up. You see it? Fry up the saltfish.
So yes, I'm gonna put the saltfish in the oil and fry up the saltfish. Him say me say that.
Wow.
Him say wow.
Really?
So yes, this is the saltfish and the red herring.
And we just fry it dry.
Yep.
We want it fried crispy.
I fry it dry and fry it crispy, and then we cook it down. You see? And it smells so good. I don't think you're gonna understand how good it smells right now. More and take up one, but you know, so if I take up one, it take up one. So me wait. Yes, I will wait.
And I put the onion in. I put onion and
See that?
scallion and
Onion and scallion are going I think and
garlic.
see the garlic. Garlic is very
and
important.
tomato
Give it the flavor.
and green seasoning.
And green seasoning. Green seasoning. Let me come. Watch it.
You can pause it now.
Oh, you can pause it now.
Yeah, and my move your finger, you black the splash. I'm not sure the garbage bag.
No.
Alright, cool. Ready?
Ready.
It's on?
It's on a long time ago.
So them I hear me at all them.
Yeah, them here right now.
Alright, so I put in 2 spoons of coconut oil in this now. I'm ready to cook it down. Yeah? And the coconut oil is very good for your structure.
Very good.
It's a systematic thing. Alright, watch this now.
It's very healthy.
Garlic and scallion and thyme.
Very healthy.
It smells like coconut oil, my
it smells so good. My head hurt me.
This is breakfast, guys. Breakfast. Wow. It smells so good.
So good. Is it ready?
No, it's not ready. It's not ready.
Yeah.
I'm going to put in 1 whole onion.
One whole onion. And onion I burn eye.
You're blind.
Wow. Really?
Yes.
My man, I come over here.
Bye. Mate, you make the dumpling them already, you know, have to stay.
Really, my yacht?
Yes.
My food are blessed.
Alright, so I make this cook down a little bit more.
Yeah.
And then we'll add some more herbs and you see?
Remember.
And thing, yeah.
But you ready though?
No, it's not ready. I want to make the gravy to make it simmer, you see me?
Oh yeah, gravy. But me don't want a gravy, you know.
You don't want a gravy?
No.
So what you want?
I want this right now.
Alright, hold on, I have to take out some of the things then, guys. Go. Alright, so I have some green seasoning. The link for the green seasoning is gonna be right there at the top of the box. And the green seasoning is all of your greens, you understand? My youth, this thing is gone now, my youth.
I know this.
It's gone.
It's gone. It is gone.
Open the back door. Guys, sorry about the smell here, guys. Visitors in the house. So, have to be careful.
Hey.
I'm going to tip a little water.
Yes.
A little agua.
Yes.
And then we'll cover the pot a little bit.
Yes.
Alright guys, so the breakfast right here. Yeah? My saltfish I'm ready in. I'm gonna put some cucumber in it and some grape tomato them or cherry. Some cherry tomato.
Cherry.
And dumpling and yam and thing. And you ready, Mayo?
Yes.
Hold on, let me slide the plate up.
Slide it over here.
May I show the people the napkin. Alright, see there? Yeah. So remember if you like, share, subscribe. Link in the description box. This is our breakfast item. Yeah? And the thing start out. So Mayo, what to you?
Mayo.
What to you?
The thing.
Yardie Belly, you know what? Yardie Belly TV.
Enough fire.
Just remember to subscribe and share and like and everything. Mayo, wait till me done the video, Mayo. Me not done the video yet.
Sorry.
Jesus, Savior, pilot me.
You're done.
Mayo, drink it.
I'm not drinking that.
This is a cup of roots with ginger and lime.
But can you say it bitter? I'm not drinking.
She didn't say that. Drink it.
Can you say it bitter?
I'm waiting. The people are waiting.
Make the people them waiting.
The people are waiting. Ladies and gentlemen, he asks for it. I give him
Philip.
a little bit. Himself full up the cup.
Philip, I'm not drinking.
Might drink it.
You should have told me say it bitter before.
Might drink it, no, Reggie.
I'm not drinking it.
It's not bitter.
See, say it bitter.
No, she don't know what she's talking about. She don't hear. She don't do food.
My door from here. Like I tried. My man, no want this. But I want to tell you, man.
Mayo, you have to finish it.
I'm not.
Mayo, you have to finish it.
I'm not finishing that.
You have to drink it.
No.
Mayo, drink it. It's good for you. Mayo, it's good for your body. It's good for your structure.
No. My structure good already.
No, you need it. It get rid of worm.
Me not the worm.